Welcome to the Advanced WordPress Mastery Kit Chapter 45. How to insert feature images. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to insert feature images, step by step. So let's get started. Now we don't have any featured image for our posts. So from your WordPress dashboard, go to Posts and select All Posts. From here click on Edit to edit the post. At bottom, we have this featured image option. Click on Set Featured Image, and from here select the image you want to add and click on Set Featured Image button. After that, click on Update button. Now go to your site and refresh it. And as you can see that the post has been updated with the featured image we just inserted. Back on WordPress, go to Featured Image tab and here we have Remove Featured Image option to remove it. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to Chapter 46. How to schedule a post. Inside that video, we are going to take a look at how to schedule a post, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.